On this video, you will learn about the surface area of a cube and rectangular prism. I attached the definition, the problems we're going to go over, and then I will start the video. Today, class, we're going to learn about surface area of a cube and rectangular prism. Right here, I drew a picture of a cube. Here is a picture of a rectangular prism. So when they give you a side and all the sides are the same, that's a cube. Or if they just give you one side, that's also a cube. The formula you would use is SA is equal to 6 times the base, which is one of the sides, squared. So if I'm looking at number 6 on your worksheet, I would use this formula right here. I say SA. SA means surface area. So surface area times is 6 times 11 squared. 11 times 11 is 121. So 6 times, and when I multiply 6 times 121, my final answer is 726 kilometers squared. This is our formula. I know it seems long. 2 times the length times the width plus 2 times the length times the height plus 2 times the height times the width. So the way that I always taught my students this, just look at it as if it was a clock. I know some of the questions on your paper, they don't quite look like a rectangular prism, but as long as you know you have different sides, it's still a rectangular prism, okay? So the way that I tell my students, rotate this as if it's a clock, okay? Look at this as if it's a clock. So I would say 4 times 7 4 times 7 plus 2. I go to the next one. 7 times 12, 2 times 7 times 12. And then I rotate right back around. 12 times 4. So plus 2 times 12 times 4. Okay, now once you have your problem set up, you can start multiplying and solving it. 4 times 7, that's 28. So 2 times 28 plus 2 times 84 plus 2 times 48. Once you get all of these answers, now all you have to do is multiply that by 2. So 2 times 28 is 56 plus 2 times 84, that's 168, plus 2 times 48, that's 96. And your final answer is, on this particular problem, is 320 inches squared. So these two problems, multiplied by 6, if they give you one side or the same side, square that number first. So 11 times 11 gave us 121, times 6 gave us 726. This one, you just use this formula, rotate it around like it's a clock. Don't get confused with the letters and the numbers, okay? And then I will come back and show you how to do number 13. Now we're going to look at an example of number 13. So they give me the surface area. Surface area is equal to 2,168 feet squared. Find the side length. So the way that you will find the side length, you know, when you're looking at a cube, you have 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 sides. So the first thing I would do is divide by 6. And just round it off to the nearest whole number. That's all I'm asking. Round it off to the nearest whole number. So 6 divided by 2,168 is 361. Okay? Once you get this answer, you have to find the square root of that answer. So the square root of 361 is 19 feet. And it's that easy. First, you divide by 6 because you have how many sides on a cube? 6 sides on a cube. You have 6 sides on a cube. So divide by 6. Once you get that answer, find the square root of that answer and just round off to the nearest whole number. And that's how you do number 13.